Hey guys, good morning from Sangla, and the time is around 6 a.m. right now. Yesterday night the temperature dropped to almost zero. I think it was 0 degree yesterday because we were feeling very cold. Uh, but currently the view is very awesome. It is almost like a dream state for any who loves mountains. Let me just show you around. So, guys, this is our hotel at the back, and exactly in front of our hotel, you can see this view. Beautiful, amazing. So that's my DSLR at the rooftop, taking time lapse of the sunrise. The sunrise is scheduled to happen around in another 15 minutes. So you can see all the mountain tops completely covered with snow. So guys, our today's plan will be moving ahead to Chitkul. Won't be carrying our luggage. There will be having breakfast at the last Indian dhaba. Then maybe click some pictures and then return here. Then we'll be packing up and moving towards Kalpa. So I think Kalpa is the distance is very less, I think around 60 to 70 kilometers. So that's our today's end destination. Yesterday's ride was good roads, not an issue with the bike. All are in good health, not an issue. Yesterday actually we were searching for hotel which can give us good mountain views, so we had to spend another 15-20 minutes just to get that view what you are seeing currently. So luckily we found about this hotel. mm, that's Bimalji waving me from the window. I think we had considered ourselves for finding a good hotel with good mountain views so that we can capture its beauty. Mm. I woke up around 5 a.m. I had to do night to day time lapse, so that's why I had to wake up pretty early. Yesterday night also we slept around 12:30 a.m. That means today. Yesterday night also doing some time lapse of stars. So guys, that's it for now. Enjoy your morning and good breakfast. And we will also start with a good hot cup of coffee, because right now also I think have not measured it, but the temperature seems to be around 0 to 2 degree. You can see I'm wearing my gloves and everything. The temperature is really chilly. Yesterday night when we reached, it was drizzling for about almost 2 hours. Then it stopped. We thought of I thought that we'll be having snowfall in the morning, but doesn't seem. Yesterday night only the skies got cleared, which offered us a beautiful view of the stars. That's why we started doing time lapse. Time is left for sun to come up. Just waiting for the sun to come up. From sunrise is going to happen from behind this mountain, so that we have our DSLRs focus in that direction, so that we can capture its sunlight falling on this mountain and get a good photo out of that.
Currently we are off to Chitkul. We are not taking our luggage with us. We'll be having breakfast at the last Indian dhaba, and we'll click some pictures and then we'll again come back to Sangla, load our bikes, and then we'll be off to Kalpa. So guys, we are all set and heading towards Chitkul. Good morning भाई. कैसा है?
बढ़िया.
चले ऑल सेट.
बाइक पे पहली बार मिल रहे हैं ना सुबह से.
अरे हाँ यार, बराबर है.
This is black ice.
Whoa. जबरदस्त मजा आ गया यार साला. Such a beautiful view, guys. Just see snow on both the sides. I'm just loving it. Guys, the snow is so fresh. The snowfall happened here 2 days back. As I told you yesterday, almost 2 to 3 feet of snowfall has happened here. Guys, this is called black ice. See how the vehicle is slipping. And Vimalji is going. Come on! Woo! I just love water crossing. Oh, there we go.
तो करण की बाइक को पंचर हो गया है, वो यहाँ पे हमने रख दी है चेक पोस्ट पे, और हम लोग अभी आगे चिटकुल जा रहे हैं और रिटर्न में हम लोग बाइक कलेक्ट करके यहाँ फिर वापस सांगला जाएंगे और सांगला से पंप एंड जो एंटी पंचर लिक्विड वाली जो किट आती है वो कुछ टूल किट वगैरह लेके आएंगे वापस और फिर सब सेट करेंगे. थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो गया है पर ठीक है, ये चीज़ों का भी मज़ा होता है जीवन में. बस अभी दूसरा पंचर नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि फिर तो ख़त्म.
साले ओवरहेड पत्थर रहते ना,
हाँ
बहुत डर लगता है.
सही बात है.
अरे यार, एक तो कितना बाहर आया था, सपोर्ट ही नहीं था उसको कुछ.
हाँ
अरे मेरे फट रही थी यार, जल्दी चलो.
साला गिर ही ना जा, कुछ
अरे
भी नहीं
गिर
था
गया
वो
ना तो भाई खत्म है फिर.
अरे कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं, कुछ नहीं बचेगा.
अरे बहुत डर लगा, कितने पत्थर गिरे भी है, छोटे.
चिटकुल आ गया है, चिटकुल।
एकदम पहाड़ों के बीच में।
हिंदुस्तान का आखिरी ढाबा था, कहाँ गया
वो मेरे को भी नहीं दिखा यार।
मैं पढ़े सब होटल के नाम, मेरे को दिखे।
हाँ वहाँ पे मेरे को भी नहीं दिखा।
ये तो नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं, ये तो कहीं और ही चला गया।
Guys, this is the last point of India. Ahead of this, Tibet starts, and this is the last point where you can go, and the view is just amazing.
तो इससे आगे जाना मना है, तो हम लोग यहाँ से रिटर्न हो रहे हैं। तो ये है चिटकुल विलेज, और अब हम जा रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान का आखिरी ढाबा। तो हम वहाँ पे नीचे है वो, वाव।
बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना
उसका तो 5 मिनट में चलो।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? मार प्रेस मार।
चल
नहीं, ठीक है, जा रहा है।
ऐसे ऐसे करना थोड़ा, हाँ।
So guys, we are heading back to hotel now. We tried to repair the puncture but failed. So we had to call our hotel owner who was having a Mahindra pickup, and we have loaded the bike at the back of the car and trailing the car. You can clearly see the bike at the back of the pickup. Hey guys, good evening, and we are in Sangla right now. Today was a really bad day for us. We left Sangla in the morning, and when we were about to reach Chitkul, Karan's bike got punctured just near the Chitkul checkpost. So we had to keep his bike there and move towards Chitkul on 2 bikes. Good thing is that we at least went till the last road before the army checkpost, and also had breakfast at the last Indian dhaba. That was a good thing. And then finally we came back to the position where we had left Karan's bike, and we tried to figure out the puncture ourselves, but we could not manage. Luckily the hotel owner where we were staying in Sangla, we had to call him, and then he brought his Mahindra Bolero, and then we were able to put his bike on the car and then ship it back to the hotel. So currently we have reached the hotel, and I'll just show you. You can see at the back that's Karan's bike sitting behind Mahindra Bolero. Things did not go as we expected. This happens during road trips, so not an issue. Plan remains the same, so whatever plan was there in up ahead from Chitkul will be following that. Only thing is that we'll be
almost 1.5 day behind our plan, but that's okay. Let's see if we can compensate up ahead. So that's the thing for today. We are staying in the same hotel, and let's see if we can try to start early tomorrow to reach Kalpa. Maybe we need to do some modifications in the plan so that we can cover all the places which we had planned in Spiti Valley. So guys, that's it for today. Happy Sunday, good evening, and stay safe. Bye. That's it from at the puncture shop.